Hi everyone, my name is Shalmali Ghate and I'm here to talk to all of you about my experience at the United Nations Capital Development Fund from my time in Malawi. So, if someone is to ask me what is the biggest thing I learned being on ground, I would say it's definitely that the job experience exposed me to the complex nature of the challenges that exist around us in the world today. So, all of us agree that poverty is a big problem, hunger is a big problem, lack of access to education is a big problem, and many of us are committed to working towards making a difference, but actually being on the ground, working with the government and policymakers made me understand how difficult it is to change the current system and how each one of us will have to commit to making a change, and only then we will be able to see the difference we want to see in the world around us. Thank you.